Hello, people. Good morning. Today is what time is this? 7:07 and 7:07 in the morning. So today is February tuloy. February February uh, February 14. Ginagunita ang Cupido. Hindi, joke. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Good morning. Kumusta ang lahat? Hindi ka binate, walang bate. Drama. Palusot ka lang. Eh. Happy Valentine's Day, all people. Sino makadate ninyo, people? Sino mga kadate ninyo sa Valentine's Day today? Valentine's Day. Hapoy. Nabilis ang araw. Kailan lang nag-New Year, nag-Pasko, New Year, February ulit. Tapos March ulit. April na naman ulit. Tapos kalahating taon na naman ulit. Bilis. Nako, bilis. Ang bilis ang panahon. So, kumusta may mga ka-date dyan? Date sila. Di pa sila date. May ka-date sila. Dahil wala. Wala tayong ka-date. Ay. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Basta araw. Honest about you through the years, you never let me go. La 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 worship you. I worship you. Valentine's Day. Actually, it's a sign of love. Mas pa a sign of love, giving of love. Valentine's Day is a sign of love. The remain of love. Love hug. Ay, Valentine's. Wala man nagbigay sa atin ng bulaklak. Sino nagbigay sa magbigay ng bulaklak? Huwag bulaklak sa patay, ha? May bulaklak sa patay, bigay ninyo. Na. So, happy Valentine's Day, guys. Love you all.